Hey guys, in one of my previous videos, we talked about what you should not eat on an empty stomach. So a lot of you guys asked me, Daniel, all right, so what should we eat in the morning? What is the best breakfast? So that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. Let's get to it. All right guys, to give your body what it needs, you need to eat something that is healthy, that will give your body the good type of energy that will last. So that means, first of all, stay away from all unhealthy, sugary cereals. It's the worst thing you can do to your body. You will spike your energy levels and it'll just come crashing down when it's done. And then of course it can lead to diabetes and other health conditions. You need to take this seriously. A lot of people just go and they just eat whatever they want to eat and they don't realize what they're doing to their bodies. And like I always say, if you have enough respect for yourself, then take care of yourself. That includes what you put into your body. Just like sugary cereals, a lot of people go for white toast in the morning. Don't do it because it just turns into sugar in your stomach and you don't get the nutrients you need. If you do love bread, I love bread. If you're a bread lover, then go for whole wheat bread. And the second best option, rye bread, so that you'll still get the fiber and nutrients you need. Just make sure it's not GMO bread because that is so bad for you. And if you do eat bread in the morning, healthy bread, then don't go for unhealthy stuff on it. Don't go for just syrup or those kind of stuff. No. The best thing you can eat with whole wheat bread is eggs because you get all the good stuff from eggs and a lot of protein. Just don't go over 3 egg yolks a day. Another good option with your whole wheat bread, I love this a lot, is peanut butter. Some people buy almond butter, but that's a little bit more expensive, so I stick with peanut butter. With a little bit of honey on top. Oh, I love it. Especially with coffee. And that is another point to remember. Never drink coffee before breakfast because of the acidity. So always do it with breakfast or after breakfast. Now, the best breakfast, the one that I love the most, oatmeal. Not the fake oatmeal with different flavors and artificial stuff. No, just 100% real oats. Let me show you just how I make my oatmeal in the morning. First, I don't add a specific amount of oats, but I roughly use a bit less than a cup size to maintain my body size. And because of time, I do not boil it. I eat it as it is. I add the milk first and leave it just for a few minutes while I go put on my clothes so that it soaks a bit. Then I come back and I add my whey protein powder and mix it well. Next, I add mixed nuts and seeds to get the crunchy texture and to get the healthy fat my body needs. After that, I add a banana and the superfruit blueberries. Now this is my favorite way of eating oats, but on those days where I don't work out, I don't use whey protein. So, my B option, this is what I love to do when it comes to oats as well. Oats, milk, peanut butter, cinnamon, banana, and lastly, some honey. You guys from South Africa will love it as well because it tastes close to melkos. Now, if you want to know why I believe so much in oats and why it's so healthy for you, then check out this video here and I'll see you there. And before you go, always remember, life is short, so don't waste yours. Cheers, guys.